Can you explain ngOnInit lifecycle hook in Angular? ngOnInit is an Angular lifecycle hook that gets called once when a component is first initialized. This hook is useful when you need to perform initialization logic for your component, such as fetching data or initializing variables. For example, you might use ngOnInit to fetch some data from a server and use it to populate your component's view. Here is an example. In this example, we are using ngOnInit to fetch data from a myDataService service and store it in a local variable called myData. We are using the subscribe method to handle the async response from the server and update the variable with the received data. Note that ngOnInit gets called once when the component is first initialized, so this logic will only be executed once per component instance. Overall, ngOnInit is a useful hook for performing initialization logic for your components. By using ngOnInit, you can ensure that your component is fully initialized and ready to use before any other logic is executed. For more such videos, please like the video, subscribe the channel and click on notification icon. Thank you.